Let's talk about the struggles.
Yeah, let's talk about the joys.
A father's job is to prepare their kids, get their kids ready for the real world. And in the real world, finances are important. And people use credit and people use debit. And just saying not to use them isn't enough.
You're old enough to understand that money is a tool. You know, it's not good or bad. It's just a tool.
I think the more important thing is that they're learning about money.
And this isn't like just one thing that I know. I actually know a lot about debit cards. So this isn't like something that is like, it's new to me. I haven't had my own debit card, where it's not something that I'm clueless about.
I mean, yeah, I mean, obvious because he told me about it. These are important conversations that you need to have with your kids, and not having them isn't how to handle it.
Oh, yes.
Not making a choice is a choice. So not making the choice not to talking about money to your kids is a choice. That's a choice. You're making a choice not to have this conversation with your son or with your daughter about money.
Now that's just dumb.
And it's important for them to learn about money. So like I said, on the app, you can save, you can have, they can save, they can build their savings. Talking about money is important. And that's what we like to do on the Raising Carter podcast. If you want to know more about the green light debit card, and you definitely need to talk to your kids about money because it's important. It's important. Money is one of the two most important things in this world. Number one is God, and number two is money.
Man, I wish I had a dad who taught me about money.
You might not like it, but it's true.
Let's talk about the struggles.
Yeah, let's talk about the joys.